Okay, lesson 4. What's tricky about lesson 4 is it introduces the offbeat eighth note. So a single eighth note looks like this. It has a little flag on it, so it's just a solid note with a stem and what they call a flag. And this is an eighth note rest. So 2 eighth notes, one eighth note, and almost always, this is important, almost always you will see these two things paired together. If you see this, understand this is like a little bit of vocabulary. If you see that guy, it just means one and. You're going to be playing on the offbeat. So I isolated this little figure over here. You will see this a lot. If you see this figure, all that means is one and. It's an offbeat. It's never going to go on the beat. So if you see this, you rest on one, you play on the and. You're going to do that a whole bunch through this sequence. So let's just look at the offbeat eighth notes. So this is number 3, measure 2. So this is just this much. That's going to sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Even though these are connected, that happens all the time. There's a rest in the middle. Even though they're connected, there's a rest in the middle. So this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So what we're going to do right now is play number 3 at a bunch of tempos. Let's do it at 70. 1, 2, number 3, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and one more time. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Notice I'm counting the rests, and I kind of go 1 and 2 the whole time. You've got to count. Let's do it at 80. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Let's do it at 90. 1 and 2 and ready and go, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 3 and 4 and 1. One more time at 100. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. If you're having trouble with that, stop right now. Practice on your own. Go back, listen, and watch. Practice some more. Do it again with the video. If you're not interacting with this video, you're not getting what you need. All right, number 1. We're going to count this one first, and then we're going to play it. I'm going to do all these at 70 BPM. So here's number 1. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 4. Gonna clap it. Here we go. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 4. Again, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 4. Right? Number 2, just count. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 4. Gonna clap it. 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Number 3, you've already done a bunch. Let's go ahead and just do it. 1, 2, number 3, 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, just counting, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 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 and here we go. 2, number 4, ready, ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Number 5, just counting, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, ready and go, and 1, and 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and if you're having trouble with these, understand that it's only combinations of 2 things. It's just a combination of this. It's just a combination of these 2 things. So number 5 is this first one, then the second one, and then again, and then that, and then it reverses it. Then it goes the other way. It does that rhythm first. Oops, let's see if I can copy this. Copy, delete, like that. That's the second part of 5. So you're just using different combinations of on the beat or off the beat. Since this is a little more challenging, what I'd like you to do right now for your homework is to just go back through 1 through 5, but be able to play at 90 BPM. So here's 90. Stop, pause, practice, and when you're ready, come back and we'll do it at 90. Okay, you're back. Here we go, 90. Number 1, do it twice. 1, 2, number 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 4. Again, or not again. Number 2, 1, 2, number 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Number 3, 2, here we go. Number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Number 4, ready, number 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 1. Number 5, 2, number 5, 2, ready, and 1, and 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and if you're not good at those, again, you got to go back and practice. I cannot practice for you. I cannot practice for you. There's no shortcut. You have to put in the time, put in the effort.